TSP143 GTGRYUS. Introducing the TSP143 GTGRYUS receipt printer, the latest addition to the TSP100 future print family. The TSP143 GTGRYUS brings all the attributes of the TSP100, including all parts and software being included in one box, coupled with a print speed of 45 rpm, 250 mm/sec. To bring you the future of receipt printing now, we're also including a full set of software utilities. Redesign your receipt without modifying your application. Add your logo. Add coupons. Preview receipts and enhance barcodes. Included operating system drivers allow for plug-play automatic installation. So reset your expectations to 45 rpm. Demand everything from your receipt printer and show it off. Top reviews from the United States. Loving it. It's much better than my older version, prints much faster. I am using it for a square stand. Print quality. The item was choicest. Packaging was incomparable. Speedy delivery. Recommended. Works perfectly. We were looking to replace our Ethernet printers with USB, and these were perfect.